and today is all about street food. In Barbados, almost every weekend you can find wayside vendors selling the popular grilled fish with some amazing sides. And today I'm going to share with you one of those sides that keeps customers coming again and again. We're going to be making breadfruit chips. These are delicious and quick and easy to prepare. So let's go over the ingredients. We have one large ripe breadfruit. We're not going to use all of it. We have some dry seasonings for our rub we're going to put on the breadfruit chips. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of curry. We have salt, about 1 teaspoon, and oil for frying. To prepare our breadfruit, we're going to cut it in half, then we're going to cut it in half again, then we're going to peel it. It's time to cut our chips. Now, we don't want our chips to be too thick. We don't want them to be too thin. Now, breadfruit takes a lot longer to cook than an English potato. So we're going to blanch our breadfruit chips first, which is a method where we're going to parboil them. Put them in some hot, salted, boiling water. And after about 5 minutes or so, we're going to take them out and we're going to dip them into an ice bath. And this allows the cooking process to stop. Then we're going to prepare to fry them. Now you can blanch many other types of vegetables. If you are blanching maybe broccoli, you won't keep them in for 5 minutes. You will keep them in maybe for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. But the breadfruit is a little more fibrous, a little tougher. After blanching our chips, we're going to dry them. So I put them onto a separate tray. We're going to dry them because now we're going to add our rub and we're going to get ready to fry this amazing side dish. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients, we're going to mix them all together and we're going to sprinkle them over our breadfruit chips. Then we're going to fry. Now we're almost done. It's just to fry our chips now to some very hot oil. We're going to add our chips, allow them to fry until golden brown, and then we are done. Our breadfruit chips are done and they look amazing, a beautiful golden brown color. Remember, we're not using English potatoes, we're using the breadfruit, so you can see they're slightly thick and they have a lovely rustic texture about it. Now, time to taste. So I'm gonna choose this one with a mixture of ketchup and sweet chili sauce. Ooh, it takes me back to just being on the street, getting grilled fish and breadfruit chips. Delicious, nice and hard on the outside and soft on the inside. As long as you are in Barbados and you decide to sample some street food, you must try this delicious side dish. Breadfruit chips. Now you need to try it. If you've enjoyed this breadfruit dish recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.